this happened. In the American Airlines, a man was sitting in the first-class compartment, and to his amazement, a macaw parrot was in his neighboring seat, wearing his seatbelt and sitting like that. And then, before the airplane takes off, the parrot asks, "I want Scotch whiskey." The hostess says, "No, till we take off, we cannot serve you." And in the choicest of words, the parrot abuses her, a whole litany of everything, you know. You're in Los Angeles, I don't have to teach you anything. Full dictionary throws at the woman and she's like, doesn't know what to do, but abuses her. Then after it takes off, again the parrot screams, "I want my scotch." So on the other side, they're doing ting-ting-tong-ting, you know, bottles and glasses and something. And the parrot screams, "You moron, what are you doing there? Why so much delay?" The man orders a Coke. And he waits and looks at the parrot's power, that it screams and yells the way it treats people, puts his weight around quite a bit. Then he sees this and is very impressed by the parrot. Then parrot orders one more round and again screams at everybody because it's delayed, and the man orders another Coke. And now he thought he should also do it, I'm just sitting like a wimp, not asking for mine. He also yells. Then this match continues, that asks for food and yells, and this guy asks for food and yells at the thing. Then the crew has a small conference. They consult the pilot and they come. They pick up both of them, open the door and throw them out of the flight. Both of them are going down. And the parrot says, "You really have guts for a man without wings."